Hey guys, what up? PokeTube by SG here, and today we are going to open 4 packs of Fates Collide. So that day I bought 1 pack and I didn't record, that's what I got. Yeah. So I hope that doesn't happen again. Let's start! First pack. Hope I get an EX or break. Whatever. So, here's a code. So we have Wallaby, Coughing, Pinchino, Diglett, Yolu, Team Rocket's Handiwork, Fairy Garden, Vixen, Stone Fossil Kabuto, and do I want to say the name? Right, next pack. I think all my luck has run out since I got that secret rare. So Snubbull, Seal, Bronzor, Cottony, Burmy, Wormadam, the Evolution Spray, Omanyte, Altera Spirit Link, and their Fox Hollow. Alright. Alright, let me just oops. Sorry. Alright, so hollow. And next pack. If I keep hitting the camera. Okay, Jigglypuff, Fennekin, Snubbull, Seal, Bronzor, Random Receiver, Kangaskhan, that's a nice card, Kabuto, Reverse Wigglytuff, and Superior Regular Rare. Alright, I bought the last few packs in the box, so maybe they are not that lucky. Right, last pack. I don't think I'm gonna get anything already. Sucks, I'm not gonna buy Fates Collide anymore. Just cause the pool ratio isn't that good. So we have Yolu, Seal, Larvitar, Wallaby, Burmy, Dewgong, Loudred, Electric Spirit Link, Seal. Holy King Jafua EX. Alright, so okay, it's not that bad. Fates Collide isn't that bad at all. So out of 4 packs, we pulled a hollow and an EX. Not bad, not bad. So yeah. So I think tomorrow I'm gonna do a pack battle with one of my friends. So yeah, stay tuned to that. Peace out.